Abusiafo e mamu nyina kwa aba esa mamajo enne ya wada na se de ya wada bi ye no me okesa na na ya san aba mu nchen ebio me de film lady afia pokua Adum TV ya wazoye sesi enne ga na wiem nyina ya hye oba akra de aye bom nsuo nsuso aye se de agugu kakra no nyanza anas arme ya wanas e de asem kese bi aba na ama lawyer for anas Ghana for ho kwan ama ne Ghana for nyina adane pocket lawyers ye nyina ya pocket lawyers obi ebusas enti de akoso wo tape ni ebi mu kra de o mabukoti nyanza chikra ne GF for mpanifo ni bi any referee for kra tender dam ye njeli omo we de onko dem we onko but ye busa asem bi wa ase ye betimi di video enko ade obi akoto jail na a big issue eyewu na nya sika semo ebi kura wo ko wi abanche ewo KJT market ana atakra de kotokwaba eyi market ewo Cape Coast ana ba bi fufuro bia na obi so di video anya wa eno kwa betimi am ya prosecute ye di wasem abo kwa adu ama ye bua ofo de wakọ akotu jail na enkofo no mkato ye fu we nkotum no sa na ye kai se mejo onaze kati mahama asem ba ye ewo eyi dunkwa dencho oboase na your friend new oboase ekoya asem video ho enso asem no da ho court aden na video na mo vancha me case no da ho court aden na video wa ye nyina hu se enkrofo bi di abobo si na bo na ebi kunu ebi pa matches ya de kwadu bo enkrofo bi se meda so o madi awu is that the right charge and ye be criminal court room ni akwa akwhwe se de emra no etie enye nyanteti mranko na enye wo so mranko law ne say we are all equal before the law say eba mramu dia menu mienu nyina epe ye ni sikani ene ye ni hieni ye ni odefo ene ye ni papa hwekwafo ye nya epe ebe court dem nya akwhwe se video na announce de aba na no nko anti ye betimi de obi akotum ana na ye wo ne ye che wo a ewo video so say bia passport office say bia we head teacher wo je bribe ana say bia ye sentuofo ekra na bia akoche baabi na wo mami we ansa maka case amawa wo no ye di video kwa eya dance ana mo compound house na mo kontokwa na bia obi a record voice we di matem odiko police station e betimi di video no nko agina so aba okwa adu ana da charge e fa me vim lady mi wo case wo case ana yan techi wo case ana anas na wo case ana mo amukore na mo case ana FF1 na wo case ye dissolve FF ampa ene ye be camera ni nyina ye twa ehumra na ye mra na afia ma mehwe me wo case ana e wo Adum TV so me ba sesi a ya kan na ho ase kai se ma Benis estate ene na natechi bite so madam ma ene ya wada nwuma bia ye di mo case ana bro no ye mra ye metos me wo case ana ni Abusiafo mi okesa na ne asa ba bio ne fra me vim lady afia pokua na mi okesa na enne de ye boa amagana fo nyina ate ase ene asem kese ye number 12 documentary aye nuabema Anas Armeya Anas ede animu akwakoye ho asem aba ene se Ghana fo mpanifo bia chese ye nyina Ghana fo nyina obi anye righteous yo na sikankete se bia passport eye hospital ID card krobu ono yire kwawo kra jiso akohu nurse foi akopa bibi kakra bi di amom ansa na yire kwa kwawo ewa asumdwem ti e boni abroni beka say endemic dream ketasehye ene proye ene no kra ye nie video e ba ya ti atese magana afa na nyina e wo honom but ama ho kwa ma emremu no e wo se ebusa ne emami ehwe se GFF na wo case ana se yero akwesi nyantechi ana ro na ye president of Ghana Football Association on the case ana Ghana manfo no na wo case ana de Canada Japan so ka se owo issue na owo ensemusa na ono so wo video e de fa ana so no Canada Japan wo case ana Ghana fo edi you aji boom akọ international conference center enra viewing ma nan no miensa no num no wotwe no du na nkofo da ho gu a omo Anas Arame number 12 documentary na ye free on Adum FM ye Benny issues documentary no me ade nyina honom e free awia ekosi anajo after midnight the suomu near ho na nkofo da ho ye nuan police for security agencies aka the COP Kofi Boakye ne mrante God bless you Yankopon Shamu na just to control nipa wo say de bo bia me basabasenti no omo honom maya de sentrofo yeso de edu sa bre kra ye na che say pa adwuma pa remfo aye ntwe e kapre ne ye ne gina ye nanso na ye adwuma Mohammed technicians cameramen no me ade e fifret obi akra man journalist say ye mpe nsuo binom ana ye mpe akonyo bi kra ntena so we standing. And so for God and country, ye be nyina ye bo Anas Arame ya nko adi yon. And so enwo di mu a wo mko ye documentary nya Anas nko a. And central for o twiba breman nom ne ade a wo mu di akire. Kan asem no say de ba Ghana fo wo fi obi e be hu di atwem wo video no mu. Tickets aye cha Anas, God bless you too Anas. Because we am tickets free, obi an ko be discuss dey bi obi amra mewe free. Tickets ayate wafo ni krutu ewisi ahwen santa mokwe but that has resulted in question bi ehun here wo se ebusa say so video etumi ma yebo bi ko adu say de enyina anim no a report bi call police adwumako no ho Mananado His Excellency President of the Republic of Ghana e de ne de eta ato say ensem bi a yewra kwesi nyantechi akoka e wo video no mo no ahunu bie no nya no kre egudu hu fin eye de broni beka say e wo criminal code nim Ghana Act 29 say fraud by false pretense wako defrauding crop wa ye crop frakadam see one time a oni obi din aya wadi draw false pretense aneti o chese de kwesi nyantechi gina so a okoka so no ba omi akra do no small boy na kora ba omi o what way vice president onu kwesi nyantechi se ba omia we na kra we ana lawyer ene opanyina wa bimpa chief prosecutor ano state attorney ewo attorney general lawyer obo achemu ache se we de contract lawyer ka wo mu se me e pa free we be ma bi okope ma no ono aye na yese wo dwananum eye num dwakwa ena kwesi nyantechi ko dwae nti we kra de enhada anye charge bia na so police fo gina sa initial video no kakra na e bae no so amom de ko adu abokwesi nyantechi se fraud and not defrauding by false pretense. Now what you tell me, you can't want some kakra, and many lawyers say, legal aid. And they didn't tell me, I'm telling lawyers in the and say, number 12 documentary nibi. After evidence, I don't see a woman, say, Bonnie way, ewaha, and ewaha. Ghana for the account, yo, yes, you're a lawyer for, and we are saying it. And I could see where the phone, I could see where this car, and I could see in a video now, a woman, you won't go for you. But to do court wa brofo e kan court nko na de o kan konkoni asenko de ono yire de boss he enonko nti ye fra lawyer for chire mu say video nko abetimi am ye de obi akokort ana ehia adanse afoforo bi na ye de aka mpacho numbers e wo ye screen so e bia na ho so said na no ye betena am ye ko article 19 of the constitution mu che say police ni kwan so obechew a obetwero wa no asem a lawyer kra ni ho enye force so wo kra be ma police statement opa na ade be ma no opa mfa ma no emra Ghana o ba ye mfa nya adwumenti yama obi asabe otwifi ye so a no de ko etiene ye behwe ni nyina wasem numbers abetimi afre wo issue bia no afre na ye ne atwetwe nkomo lawyers are ready wo phone line so mbekere de efa ensemi 020 0302 yakra code 0302 211 701 ekosi 704 ofre yan na afi odo question na bana lawyer for achimu 0302 211 701 ekosi 704 efa me vim lady efa poko na law we o see etumi kom ni ehwe say video nko is it enough na the entire question we very critical and it's only Anas when ye documentary di kan Anas yakoye Anas koye documentary efa children's home osu children's home se niam a chede a adofo ne omanfo de ba efa ye fa mankra no ye wia e mankrofo di besi ne how many people near to me prosecute the lawyer for beka successfully ye didn't two mu see a jail no because of evidence way Anas go a documentary for psychiatric hospital and near man na do for trend ko ho ye man krofo po bi e mo bi kura wi Anas psychiatric hospital for penny for hunu po se nipa da se ni o enkwa woni mu hu mi gudu hu wawu no dem fichire okoye documentary ekosi sen Anas ye documentary for koko krofo no mo smuggle koko asam no court evidence no antumi antentam Ekodu court no carry adanse no. O si video no kwa no. Yetumi fe no kwa kan se ma nye ye. Yetumi fe no kwa kan se ma nye ye. Ekosi sen. Anasa yes several other documentaries before we kra no aye prison there. Me aminu abema me bona basu tu chairman passet kwa me boaten aye documentary for prisons. Enipa abo apeso no ne ade. Ekosi sen na ye den e besi sen. Normally, to me inform issues. But my main call on man so na me lawyer entwetwe nkomo. Lawyer we and you may good evening.
Mejo so mini aba.
La so ho ye de.
Nyame adomboko na so e.
Nyankopon adaroma. Ma me di kan so mo abaso ne unuanom APC Asante Professional Club of so abaso. Semode abakwasem ene amamre ene ye ne ayamane eboa amemmuo a chese ene dwumadi amoye na efe British Council na mo chere se de Professor Jekum bedru o chere se de Ghana ye ayamamre yamana ka eche me ne kra de o ubusa Asantini akwara anasa igbeni akwara anankrani akwara ubusa se to your ten say I'm fine F1 or say I'm fine LK I'm fine o want to say I'm fine ya yila ya mamre no ton akwa chire na ya me de se obi ti se wo ye kani bana utumi chire mre ni mu wo wa ukuro mu Asante kasa no chire se obi a chire ne ba ni krom kasa enti mo ya de nyamo mabaso Asante Professional Club ni adwuma so amoye de asom Ghana man
that's it.
Rana ye koyi na se de ye de krom kasa kan kasa ka ye nuanom e won kran wo ko Bonu FM ni Obonu TV omo so ye nkran de e de danwe ene gan it's good e boa e ma oma no ko nanim ye yira ye so urefu krom hini aban a wo yira wo dwabo ase wo ba yira kora a je se na ye tinkran ye nyina yira obi akura so ade na busu ani beko ekura so ya se abaifo bewe no so nkran abaifo kuku da macho abaifo anomo anas mu abaifo abaifo mu anas akra no mugu enzi esro balo ya enko anas de anim na yebusa asem bi se sa video ya abaye na meti am komite lawyers nyina ko a nyina hwe anas video ebi na yetumi di video de di kan kwama musa so ate video na ho asem bo a
Empacho you, Mate ho.
Empacho wanya kwa hwe bi.
Empacho de bi. Me hu
empopoye
kakra bi, yeah.
Na pacho mo na munim criminal law no said de mo de nkrofo court ma kwa adu for prosecutors ebo o mo kwa adu free police station ne edo mo fa jupo ne edo mo court ye de ma kwa adu for prosecutor video se say anas de ya abai nkrofo che se bebre abu Kwasi Nyantechi ni GF ni referee for ni nyina attend dada ye betimi de eno agina so de obi akotuma na ye de abo obi kwa adu se de abo Kwasi Nyantechi kwa adu
patropi se medasi bebre so michia o kwetiefo nyina na obi aso a osho anwumrei na anaz video no osha se police and say investigative organization be institution be omo ye nhwehwemu no say omo de bebo obi kwadu a ekwan da ho say omo de bebo kwadu na wa unim say ubo obi kwadu bia na eno nkyere say asem no na asi bi kwadu ne kyere say ya charge wo say why boni we ana say why boni we na emrem no say ya charge wa the etwa so no say e was say police for an attorney general whichever is the prosecution no ombetu anamo akọ court na omo akoye enhwehwemu wo ho na court no omo kodu ho na e was say omo lead evidence anaso omo de normal bi eden di e court ne say kwadu a ye de ball ni at the cronti a ye de sa kwadu no ball a enti court no e was say a convict no ne wotum no
okay
court no de wotu fiade no and they say video way by na video way by na ye hu say why ye say ni na normal say ya ye hu wo video no so no etiamra so what ya say na asema ebe bisa ne se enti sa video na e kire se obi ayeboni ana se no eyade a prosecution betumi attender
in evidence
to the court ana yes prosecution bet me attend that, but as to whether or not the court will accept, court never to man answer engine to, and no see a different case. Now,
the lawyer Pacho Abuche, dear Nebema video be court no ebegina so aka say we ye gia to man aye nyintum.
Good. Say Osha videos no a secret recording. If a chrono ye recording no na onya we so what you say. Na say Supreme Court ama 2 decisions be. Nina on the right to privacy. The di kan maami bia no ye adwuma wo ADB bank. Na journalist bi call ne ho no ni di nkomo no. Na journalist no recording no. Na nkoma no ni journalist ni di no. O kan sembi tia bank mpanimfo no.
I see.
Nti enam saa de nti journalist no so the recording no ekoma bank. Na enam saa de ne so nti no omuyi ne du efri bank.
Adwuma mo
na otunhu anamon ekọ court ka say journalist no ni hu kwan say obe record no abra no nim say or record no and you know recording abra no nim no maame no court ka say court and declare say it is against her right to privacy.
Okay.
That which is guaranteed in the constitution. And or sign beside court said court and sign declare said because recording a journalist ne year no and nam enunsi
any a pamo
no eyi ne dinenti no say bank no amfa kwan paso because it was a breach against her right to privacy and therefore her termination was illegal or unlawful. When you have a koya could do Supreme Court, ne could do Supreme Court no Supreme Court ejitu omone ne ya adwen say ampa journalist no ni hu kwan say obe recording no abranu. That is one. Two ne say it sounds a bank ni gina sa secret recording no so yi ne din no illegal.
I see.
The termination was wrongful until court etwemu.
Well, but your lawyer, where Afibeni? So this, wow, very latest decision of the Supreme Court.
Very recent decision. Very recent decision. And Kedia, Afiwe and another case. And no, a case via air course or district court. Na is nay land assassin manson. Na in the course of the proceedings, no, Omudi asem no, and parties ni bako, no per se or tender in a video recording of another party.
Okay.
The plaintiff no per se tender in a video recording of one of the defendants. In that video recording, no, defendants no ejia to muse no kwe assassin no enyomodia. And you know, a honor defendant's lawyer raised objection. The recording was in breach of the defendant's right to privacy. So yes. A constitutional matter because a right to privacy under the constitution. And this record judge stay assembly and refer
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. Now, so it could do Supreme Court no. Asema Supreme Court can say the right to privacy is a constitutional right. That is one. They are also be on the same. That right to privacy ought to be protected by the courts. And you know, Supreme Court went ahead to even give examples of the instances where say uye bibia it amounts to a breach of the right to privacy.
I see.
Example bakwa and say bi maf obi frɛw na so oni wu di nkomo e wo phone so na say uye wadwen say o de phone no e beto speaker phone na o de beto speaker e wo say o bɔ nipa krona mane
oh sir
o de no air to speaker and yes sir you are breaching the person's right to privacy.
la mpacho sambo hobio say obi fra wo phone so na one na egbo nkomo keke no the two speaker na meme ya be ya enumdwe ya ebi akodwa bi GF video mu akoye asemo number 12 obi wonu ma opege obi no mpe no kra no ahye da frɛ no there two speaker no one ne namfo no mema no ya okay that's unfair generalization lawyer with all due respect to you but mema ne ta ye mani bi so ye no ahye da there two say afia na te sen na ho ye say na no mi share no kan komo no there two speaker o pa che say the Supreme Court kind obi yes ah watietia we right to privacy so
to privacy exactly.
I see.
Exactly.
I see.
Court went ahead to discuss the circumstances under which, or the approaches, the different approaches to treating such evidence.
Okay.
Court said you have the rigid approach and the flexible approach.
Okay.
The rigid approach is where you say, because the evidence is ill-gotten or is tainted by illegality.
Just a one for kwan pass na unya evidence and video no.
It is unacceptable.
Okay.
It's inadmissible completely.
And no rigid approach no.
That is the rigid
which is
approach.
the argument that judges here and see the kan ko video omo argument omo here before the court no.
Exactly. So that is the rigid approach. And then the flexible approach is where Supreme Court say under those circumstances the judge has a discretion exercise. Until the judge will weigh the probative value of the evidence as against things such as relevance.
Okay.
Is the evidence relevant?
Okay.
That is one. Although it is ill-gotten, no. Although it is tainted with illegality, the judge will ask, say, is the evidence relevant? Will it help me in determining this matter case? 3, is it prejudicial?
Okay.
So what I say, is it prejudicial? So these are some of the considerations that the judge would take into account before determining the evidence we mentioned to one as a man. So what I say, so that is the flexible approach.
And the lawyer nature say. Sa video ya na ase dia be ya ye nyina ye hu dede na say enye straightforward sa say e court ani obi kodam
eno no
because adwene abebre wo ofie no so oh nyantechi we de obedam we kwa de okofie we de obedam enye better enye straightforward sa
there be enye straightforward sa kra enye straightforward sa
enti the okay say judge no obewe no eno ye before ebe court no say ai make us say police for ahye enko court nti e betime acheche mama omanfo ate ase enti obi woni fie ne bia e fa say nyantechi the video yaba na based on video nti police for ama nipa ne charger eno ene kwan so say bia obi e fa say mo te compound house na mudi mu ho atem ana obi be yew de bia oye nti wa set video no watwa no na wo de ko police station police wo betime gina video no to aka say enu nti ana woni obi kodidwa o se meton mo meton anwa meton sei wa video no wan to me and deliver anwa no ana bia ti say kwasi nyantechi de wa video nipa oh me mema wanwa mema omo mema onkate na wa video no wo betime de eno akose based on video we ya nipa ne yema me say o wanwa o omo wan to me amma minti na fraud by false pretense ana
yeah, the woman say when it comes to arrest, police for wide powers of arrest. And the arrest is, the powers of arrest is such that if a policeman suspects, you hear so be suspected, what the boni be. And see, say okoye complaint na so share video na who video no who say there is a reasonable ground to suspect say why is boni na police officer no emrama no ho kwan say obechiw. So what you say na enoma e follow after arrest no eno na emra no ahisha to say uchi nipa kro na within you can't keep the person in detention or in police custody for beyond 48 hours. That's the 48-hour rule. So what you say if you are going to keep the person there for 48 hours, it means that on the third day, I will say, what charging now, what nipa no, court. Otherwise, also money pakoni bill.
But Lord, the name was a video. Obi beti police ni wo kwan so to me video so and audio recording so no or charge you.
And patrol you so long as otie recording na so share video no na o form sa opinion ne say me suspect say based on this video or this recording we have body way into me be chill. So what I say at the end of the day, it's about does the video or the audio give that type of or that kind of suspicion to the police officer to warrant an arrest.
Okay.
Even without the video or the audio, oko can't send oko logic complaint. Now the way one narrative was story, a police officer need to or throw you. Now who said I deal with our bell lodging and I complaint where I suspect say Saboni way and Obi IBB Etiamra. Police officer no work on say Omobecho.
I see.
They have very wide powers of arrest.
But a police for na said yes on bepe bibi account video no nko as a standalone no. And no nko to be mobi nkodem. Your man said yes on bejeje adanse foforo aka ho.
Exactly. Also we investigation. But if you are the woman say ye koye ba ye di hu komo ye sanoma we nyina minim say ya post ebisa say na raw footage no ankasa
ewo he
okay what you say because they are omuyi ewo TV so ne they are omuyi ewo
national conference
center edited footage.
So okay, into edited footage, and a new court, and a new court beje raw video no and court be accept edited one.
And no edu na o defense lawyer na bechere.
I see.
Lawyer be do asema ma na bechere. Say why the court should not accept the edited footage and why the court should call for the raw footage.
I see. But lawyer, we are be say we are question antechi lawyer. We a case ubetimi arabeshe video no. Said e bi maka. In fact, say who the free judges no one ma. Judges not can say. Said they okay say there's a strict approach and there's a flexible approach Supreme Court amayati asi. That what for the no what for kwan money so no waje. But law wo share so your case the court in the case if you pokia and others versus NHIA ya. Court no can say in the interest of the public interest bemua sa ade no a journalist ne record no in the interest of the public dia and na method the coin of us onya video no and na onya record no does not matter nemo mebeboa oman nti but in the ADB dia okay this is a personal matter conversation ankran komo and how they akoni agina so ne yi ma me na dinti. It will be difficult to say, and no, to argue public interest. Why public interest? One person has them. How does that become a public interest? As against say NHIA, they are dumb. Our nice scheme contributors into any call honum. And that's a difference. But me busa say the old say assembly could do court. Judge no one discretion be way whether flexible or rigid approach.
Exactly.
But we a lawyer for Nyantechi. Where ubetimi throw it out easily in court say. A coin fast on Ukraine.
Oh, the woman said these are new areas.
Okay.
So I say, Yamran or your court no develop it.
I see.
And like I said, no, in the Rafael Kubaji case, that's the land matter, no. For instance, no, the court emphatically said, say, we are adopting the flexible approach. So
okay.
We are adopting the flexible approach. Now, like you rightly said, no. If we are adopting the flexible approach, the court has to do a balancing act between the constitutional right to privacy and the public interest. So what you say, it must be that balancing act.
Okay.
And as you know, public interest there. Lawyer for best here, judges now.
Is an unruly horse.
Unruly horse.
Unruly horse.
It's an unruly horse. Just say obekano ekasema nentwia wabodam
ponko abodam
say
what teaching baby o tumi ko
wabodam so it all depends on how the court balances the constitutional right to privacy as against the public interest. So what I say, and several considerations come to play. So no say if the court should agree that yes, it is in the public interest, that would essentially that could amount to an endorsement. Say, oh, if you are procure, and I me nana kwesi, me to me ochna, me to me afa camera, hidden camera, na me ashe me baby, na ma call police officer or na ma call test no. So what I say.
But you see, me per se relating to many one everyday issues. Say, and one say and say, Obi I know acquire sex tapes. Me lawyer will say, so we are me bema, and now you me boy, we are me kunu. Now me cry why am be born in am per se me check wa. Now ma share that one. I'm the work share that me try video. Now say they very serious. See, so we are lawyer for ye nyina Ghana for ye tie we are we ya. There near photo out the bemaye. I was announce video, any videos are eba, and they said okay, say court say a new areas of the law, which means more decisions will come a very ring for. How a photo ben at the bemaye, me secret videos, sex tape, phone calls. We see a woman who say, Unio be Casacrana the two speaker. No one many panu and who are to go babecho because it's Yamra. There near photo at the bemaye in this new social media, new technology, banning yama, a bit me or how abre wom ranimono.
Yo, if you mean that say, I think say their mechanism in our human interactions, yeah, every day in Kitahudia, yeah, ne ya dog for ne ya down for new baby wishi and biano. You must accord respect to the person's right to privacy. So what I say, you must not just as the wa any odeno anyone quite say odibeye because the senior kind no and say social media ba internet ba and as you know the internet never forgets and you know record obia there and now the two internet so and what have you many years after no that you know will still linger on. It will be very difficult to clear that thing, and you may end up hurting the person, and the person may never be able to recover. So what I say, inti say ye two son amona na ye sign kitamudie na. We must always bear in mind say inti adia mi say ye di yemia and kebe me da. Then ye would the dia and the misro.
Because a cocoa so and also just straightforward say we dey recording and video no call ya now I in fact they say lawyer our real munum near the most of the divorce cases are no mate lawyers be maka say in most of the divorce cases and say our ijaya a cocoa no baby over never WhatsApp recording away and okoka away na we recording na woni we bon komo and I'm recording na we video akopio na we video yi na send we ma obi into technology no ya say na yan hwedi ya e de be court e de nyantechi akopie police a wan hwe ya e court nti e good advice e na wo de maye no lawyers nyina so lawyer muhwe muye because say na na so wan hwe ya nkofo sebi o omo dross mu kro de o de camera beba ti me show de o ye minu abema wona mi no ahwe hu ya ma me obi di bebe show dross mu pa dia so hu bebe me ya batu de ubeya boni a ye boni a ese fatase se o me bra yi lawyer akofa ge enu kra de me ahame so we be ma we don't worry and de ahame na mum se bibi de ti se de yes se gu pepe we no de be ha me papa so ho ya no abompa ye no so dia ma so o ti se ye afia ne boy bi a se no de ha enu so se me meti we body no be firewood sa na mum se me kwakwa se sika bi e de ayi de en de e wo se obompa ye ma me wo de me nko why me da se ya go bonjala that's baby lawyer papa na kosi awu lawyer wa bin papa in fact omo group we are in fact bas branding case court ruling say Ghana ni awoye this year o right to say on mine no be ma information in fact to share right to information bill na ye push ye say ye fa nye mra no a se mra ne ba we are Ghana ni o we are wo oman ne de oka se ne ma bi wo ho no oman ne ba mu ahu enti emra no de enti parliament watena so 70 years on bese beba no ba se de enti beba mi o case ana adum 106.3 FM ene adum TV so ye wa zo ye papa mi o case ene nyantechi o case say the lawyer ache mu no enye straightforward say on edited video no ewan ebe court ana enko court ya na na ehumra ye ba mpacho wo fie no frɛ na fe ye musa questions na lawyers ncheche mu nche say say obi frɛ na the two speaker no amona mane a watomra wo mo amoye WhatsApp video no a sebe me hye adwaye kra na opeso ye me WhatsApp video no aden wo behema ha mu WhatsApp video a wo mo mamane ye mu nyina haram mu bedam ye de say law aba Supreme Court kokko hoba Raymond me producer to de bia wada anajo no ofra WhatsApp bra wo bedam waso be hye rough ye ntwe ehomra ne enko questions so video eho amane hunu we ye part 1 and 2 Abuja fa mama sa mama kwa babio mi wo case anani Adum TV ya wazoye na unim say ya fa video documentary number 12 and ye take advantage ye suamra no and is a lawyer akwese ewu aka che say video evidence especially video ya edit wo de court a enye straightforward so betimi de obi abo obi ko adu obetimi abo no ko adu ba odi du court dem a na atuguba ni nuanum judgefo no bamu a ye bakari ansa Inti nyantechi case no ni GFA case no me se mo ayanom lawyer for asem o mu che mu ni say enye straightforward sa o enye better sa inti mu me anya aboche before we judge anybody inti pacho wo ho no ma de friend number is so 0302 211 701 0302 211 701 na na ye twetwe nkomo wo question bi asa de lawyer ache mu no obi frewo na one na ebon nkomo ene o also announce video into na ama yeshia and the new thing about technology say so obi from one now from obi na bia wo take am na wo de atu speaker a wo mo nipa no wo phone so amane a watomra eye invasion of the person's privacy obi a wo kwan say ono anya ne privacy a obi ane ne emomu hye enti wo ye ne saa mo amutwa mo girls video mutwa boys video mo a woni a obi ko out ni ade we ya na say wo de ne be ko o ma sika say ma ne bebre enso ta yesa o se wa ma misika me ko ka kire wo yire uni right say wo betwa ni video bia yan ko original Nigeria good evening
Obesia papa bi ele samanu abedwafo na jo
ye jo so a ye mo akwa banso say ho ye de
nyame adom kwan de me fa nya hwe na busumi so na amane me ne fia
enkwa de ya de papa what you say hwe
so ade de acha me kwa
ayo o de acha kwa ho adum bi na aka ho wo de abusa question obi da pem so wo wone nan wo kolebu wo de wanya bi wo say wo de acha kwa
Obesia papa bi me kwashi yetia wa nje mi bi se nan se de ya shi bi ho se mra ba wo kwashi nya ntaki ye hwehwem kwashi ahye ni hu se bi abo mane kro no obo mane nimtia na japade bi o haide chimi bi ensa to so ana
okay
ye mi kwati afia ye betim bi ensa to so ade hia mi kitu pa ko se ko Brazil ba no sika chuchu bi nya konto mebuti Ghana phone na Ghana phone ne so ebi no nya de ware na hweke to akwashi 16 years no mesra ba no
obani eno de mbacho obi ne na obi akọware 10 kra Ghana emra ne chese wo awutiwe se wo ware fie ware na ware 1000 utumi ware wade ene emfesika ho
hey ko ba no otimi wa no
me pacho brae che tie kwase nyante chi no odi ne lawyer dado no odi ne play o ansa na video asemi bantu de na ware asem ne yifri woni enko we no so why ochira ya fami akoko
mu wie ma me se e bo ne bia ye fa ne san to japade ndi so why
sa na open no ho
mi nyane sanka mepe
yo any evidence the beche said the lawyer kwasi ewu akire mu no video no kwa wudi ko gina court anu nye enough bra Oliver good evening mbajo ofrefi he
baby
enyesi mo yenti o question no say ene wasua bibi o say obi fra na the two speaker anu say watomra so wa hu aha mo am record guess no ube yesterday
what na sanitary ma me ne say uko to bi kun obi o timi record o timi twa camera
oh anya sa na lawyer ne so ubetimi atwa na emom eduru court e bewe kwan a wo fa so a on saka video no lawyer ne kire mu wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ judges foɔ no wɔn te Supreme Court atuba ne nuanom no wɔn de akwan mienu na aba kwan frenchim ene kwan na kwan deda ho kakra no nti eno no wɔn de be check nti enkyɛ sɛ wontumi ntwa na ma odi duru court a eno wɔn bɛka ho asɛm
Ate.
so ho that's Oliver mo Rans me ma good evening ni akwa baba me okay sana so
me joso anyado a me kasa free the blues camp o wanchi
wanchi for the mo prema for mo me twa mo puse
what director na nkasa ni
director na nkasa ni
yeah me ana me
mo yes salutu what e twa puse pa
mo salutu me
tu check ase pa ma o ani wanchi for nyina
ese so abuso chao pa ni you apa
mo me jeno so papa baby papa bi pa
na doctor free MC na nkasa
MC no ho
MC wanchi MC o mo nyina chao pa ni
oh me so me nyam kra ai de me ho ato forma mo ti aso me enko
se no me ekoso no e o Ghana ha no se Ghana man na ye kabum na nka ya man nyan tichi akwakodam wona se tchia sika na be se yo ho kwa na ye nu kwa se ye be na so tchia mi o tchia sika no na wa se akodam aka ho se na be ya futu ama binuma omoba
boge be na se wutie de lawyer ne kan nipa ne wo yo me asamba we di echire
Tese sia me no ka so dey da ofefe o.
Be me na ye nya betesa wo yo me de atame se fa phone no wo so ma mu ntue ska no na ye tue no kura da konkon ho. Enti de lawyer we aka ne say video keke na wo de be court no eno nko anye enough eno so niam bebre wo so wunya ka ho ansa na wakodam nti me empentem we atem oi
sa
ai sa na lawyer ne kan hwe court de eso brofo e kan ho bra
na ni menini pablo so ka se se ya ntwe na so a e puto ma bi no mu ba
o twe de ba twe na so na wo se wo de adanse no kwansa na atwe na so de lawyer kan no bra wa ai evidence no one say video we edited o enti de na lawyer kura busa say raw video ni etwa anyantechi no e wa hin enti eno edu atugu ba wa e beka why
be back to our at police
me chia wanchi for papa Mr. Dro anyume good evening o
Mr. Dove ni abudo konkon
Dove ana Odro Dove abro no ma Dove ntina online atikoi abro no ma Dove mpacho ma mefa next caller wati na ento aso na bra Dove de chese nkofo bebre wo hwe social media omo busa questions omo busa nyina ye omo abua nyantechi ba de lawyer kwose awu achem nte lawyer bo kra de wo kyeremu a se o se wo de unimu ahwe na wo Major Mahama video de no ye ni gani ehu video ankofo si na bo eno kra court be si na ye njeli nipa ba akopo ni wa ye jeli no court asem nko ho de ye remra efukofukofukofo wesa ansa ne aka enti nyantechi asem no yaka yaguna ni mase wa abonte ye nyina hu se nyantechi na gina we a woji sika 65 wodi bi share rubber bag man de ye hu o batudu court a e wo se ho ensa me wo se aka bra Benjamin good evening anyume
good evening me de Benjamin me ka se fro Boase bra me
Boase mi ami de
me ba cho ma mfa kwanya so ncha mi ami honorable Dr. Boache Boase is constituency MP
wajo so ni to de me de Boase mi ami de mu antu de busa kwashe na wate
de ye pa be ma nyina ye ni ada ho ye ntina ye fie mu na ye nkeka de ye pe bia na Didia yeni wo ye institution ni muntia na yenya asema ya ni esuro se de be kokkoto no timi wo gidi se mo kyerɛkyerɛ ne ete ne ma ase ya ebenya rehemu wo mu a yenya asem bia ye ntina ye ni ankase efie mu na ye nka de epe timi me bɔ ma ba se mu nkoso saa na de bia be hwɛ mu ne atie mu saa
ya da so wate ya da se chia Boasefo nyina wo ma tisika ho so wo mu disika kom de ebe ye nden Boasefo da che adwuma beba wate mi amini abema pepra ewo Kumase wo se afia wo de wa unim nkrofo bi omo so ye frakadam frode edi frode nkrofo om nyina wo se mra no ene wo mudi ba dodo no ade omo di omo questions aba ni nyina afa se na nyantechi no wonko na lawyer che mu se court ko edu edi beba obi ye bebua obi fo ana ye bebua ne bem no enye straightforward e wo se process bebre bam nti ye nya abotre afa na asem na hye ase ye wo fufuo no mamom ye mpentem enunum eho enkwan ene lawyer ni nyina wo ho a wo mo hwe anase video no hwe adanse evidence eno no ye nyina ye kɔ ho ye beto aso ne ahwe se ebekɔ akosi sen e de amai ye fra me vimle de afia pokwa ba mfa teda e ma bani state wo mo na de asase a mansu ne wo woti abrochire wo ye dwuma ayi sama ya be awia kataban 9 o'clock 10 o'clock na awia abo woti abrochire oho enso ade achi abesan sori akɔ adwuma memo obi ni usika ma bani state for number ni 054 01 18111 from na je wasa ase wate fan ko mabusuani bia no chama ya busuama nso afa kura no na etwi ho ayebo edimbo ne na na techi bites tiapo ya di nubu na hye ne dudo bites yo tete de ni bi papa no nanom wanya ahode mi ame bra Nicholas mame na wase papa ene Asante Professional Club for APC for ne speaker first speaker of parliament honorable Joe Wise be kwai ma hye bedwani ni mpanifo akese a mo be dwumadi ase nyina British Council yankopon hyam na yenkoso mfa ya mamre empia Ghana enko nanim production team led by Raymond yankopon Asia Raymond akwa ene cameraman ne lighting sound logo su obi a yankopon hyam munti ene yetia yeti camera no so de fans kwa ene agie mu na mma ye obi ya fa me film lady afia pokwa yankopon ya adoma ebe hia na wo hwe senem mo ene hwe